Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with our chapter number 10, Nouns, Number, of class 4th, subject English 2. Here the chapter starts. Read the following sentences. Now these are some sentences which we are going to read. Please give me a book. So a person is asking for a book, that please give me a book. Here book is a singular. When we are talking about one single thing, then we are saying here only a book. But if I will ask, please give me your books, so I want more than a one book, so we are using here books, so it is a plural. When s is added to a singular noun, what it becomes? It becomes plural. Okay, the noun book stands for only one thing. It is therefore said to be the singular number. Singular number means for a one thing. Any noun standing for one person or thing is said to be the singular number, as boy, man, donkey, chair, desk and knife. But if the noun books stand for more than one thing, it is therefore said to be the plural number. That means we are talking for more than one thing. Any noun standing for more than one person or thing is said to be in plural numbers, as boys, we have just put here s. In this man, we have just replaced that a vowel with the e, so it is the plural form of man. Donkeys, chairs, desk and knives. Okay, here how we had just became the knives? By just removing the fe. We have just removed the f from this and we have just put here v, so it is the knives plural form. Here we are starting with our exercise, that is on page number 41. So children, before starting with the exercise, we are going to put the today's date, that is the 13/10/2020. Okay, here we start with our exercise. Underline the noun in these sentences. Write P for plural noun and S for singular noun in the given boxes. Now here are some sentences. In these sentences, you just have to underline the singular and the plural noun, and in the box given here you have to write the singular or the plural for that word. So first one is, the boys are writing in the notebook. So what is here plural? Boys and notebooks. So here boys is plural and notebooks is plural, so we have written PP for both. Next, a little girl is playing with her friends. Here girl is a singular and friends is plural, so S and P we have written. Next, cows give milk. So here cows is a plural and milk is a singular. There are many houses in the street. So houses is plural and street is singular. Coming to the next page, page number 42. Okay, there are 5 cups on the table. Here cups and table. So cups is a plural and table is a singular. The room has 4 walls. Here room is a singular and walls is a plural, so we are writing S and P. All the ink pots are new. Here ink pots is a plural, so we will write here P. These are homework for you. Here I have 3 balls but only 2 bats. So balls and bats both are plural. All my sisters can sing well. Here sisters is plural. There are 7 days in a week. So days and week, days is plural and week is singular. This book has 64 pages. So book is singular and pages is plural. Do you see those little birds? Here birds is plural. So children, you have to complete this in your textbook. Coming to the next, we have formation of plurals. How the plurals are being formed. Most nouns form their plurals. बहुत से ऐसे nouns है they are making their plural form by adding to the singular nouns. As boy के अंदर we are adding as, it's become boys, dog, dogs, chair, chairs and so on. Some nouns, however, form their plural differently. Here are a few ways. Now, some nouns are here which are making their plurals differently. How they are making their plurals? We can see by adding es. By adding es, if the sound ends in a hissing sound, means brush, that is the sound of hiss, sh sound. Whatever the word adds with the sh sound, we are adding es to that. Gas, glass, box, brush. The sound which is coming, that is the sh, we are adding es to make the plural. If a singular noun ends in o, when a singular noun ends with the o, we are adding es to make the plural, that is potato, tomato, photo, piano, and so on. By changing y into I and adding es as pony, pon, we are just removing the y and just adding I and the es. So it is ponies, flies, ladies, cities. Okay. Coming to the next page, page number 43. By changing f into v and adding es as thief, we are just removing f and we are adding v and es. So it is thieves, leaves, calves, knives. Okay. By change of a vowel as, we are just removing a from the man and just putting e. So it is a men. It is the plural form of man. Foot, feet, mouse, mice, woman, women, tooth, teeth, goose, geese. By adding e and as, when we are making ox, plural form, that is the oxen, child, children. If the singular noun ends in us, the plural ends is frequently I, that is cactus, cacti, focus, foci. Okay. If the singular noun ends in is, the plural ends in es, that is the analyze, analyzes, ellipse, ellipses. If the singular noun ends in on, the plural ends in a, that is phenomenon, phenomena, creation, criteria. Some nouns have the singular and the plural alike. There are some nouns which have the singular and plural both are same. Sheep, sheep, species, species, series, series, deer, deer. These are the words which are not changing their plural and the singular, both the forms. We need to see these nouns in context to identify them as singular or plural. Consider the following sentences. Now here are some sentences. Okay, by seeing those sentences, we can just consider that they are singular or the plural. Mark catch one fish, but I catch 3 fishes. Okay, now how many he catch? 1 fish, and he catches 3 fish. So 1 is singular and 3 is plural. Next, the noun. We are on the page number 44. Okay, children. Next, the noun dozen, score, pair, hundred, and thousands do not have a plural form when they are used after a number. When these are used after a number, they are not having any plural form. They are written as they are. The car cost me $5,000. Now, how much the car cost? $5,000. We are not going to write $5,000. Okay, thousand will not take s after the number. So we are going to start our exercise 2. Write each of the following in singular number. Now these are some words. We are going to write the singular for these numbers. Okay, children. Flies. What is the singular? Fly. Watches. We are going to write watch. Children. Child. Mice. Mouse. 4 I have done. The rest 4 is your homework. Houses, house. Cities, city. Matches, match. Branches, branch. Coming to the exercise 3rd. Write each of the following in plural number. Now we have written singular number. Now we are going to write the plural number. Baby, babies. Bush, it is bushes. Next is wolf, wolves. We have just removed F and we have just put V and then written ES, wolves. Army, armies. We have removed Y and written IES. Okay, in this also we have removed Y and IES. Here the sound of is his, the sound, the, his. Then we have just put ES. Okay. Loof, loofs, LOAVES. We have removed F. So children, like this you have to complete from F to J. This is your homework. Face, faces. Wife, wives, WIVES, wives. Fox, foxes, FOXES, foxes. FACES, faces for F1, and then I is buffalo. What you will write? BUFFALOES, buffaloes. Then potato, potatoes, POTATOES. Okay children. So children, we have just completed our chapter number 10, nouns, number, on page 41. Here you have homework on page number 42. Then coming to the page number 44, you have exercise 2 EFGH homework and exercise 3 FGHINJ. So children, you have to complete this work in a very good handwriting. Thank you.